I love this part. Makes it worth all the money. I wish I could manicure my whole body. I need a jacuzzi. Actually, a mud bath. Kahin bhi ho, I'm sure I can't afford it. Let me just enjoy this. Hey, wait. इतनी जल्दी क्या है यार? रिलैक्स तो करने दे. टैनिंग जा रही है? टैनिंग की नहीं? Wow, this is the best part. I love getting my hands massaged. Is everyone looking at me? God, I'm a loser. Arey, where are you going? My phone is ringing. I wish I could check my phone. Shit, what if Akhil has replied? Oh no. Is he judging me? Should I tell him that I went to a beach last weekend? And that's why my nails are so dirty. ओए उधर कहाँ देख रहा है? नेल्स तो कर ले पहले, टेढ़े हो जाएंगे. हेलो, दिस इज इरिटेटिंग. भैया, आई थिंक नेल टेढ़ा हो रहा है.
नहीं मैम, नेल्स टेढ़ा नहीं है, उंगली टेढ़ी है.
व्हाट? तेरी आंखें टेढ़ी होंगी. Which one should I get? God, this is so hard. Should I get that one? Should I Google the latest trends? I can't decide. ये वाला? नहीं, ये वाला. I hope this looks good on me. Yeah, this is not looking good on me. मैं घर जाके change कर लूँगी. Dang it, yeah. Why do I always pick the worst colors? Actually, it's looking nice after 2 coats, na? I think I'll keep this. I like it. हाँ. Spoiled it again. Always. Hey guys, let me know what you think when you go to the parlor to get a manicure. And for more such fun videos, keep watching POPxo daily. And if you want to buy amazing POPxo merchandise, the link is given below. You know what to do. Just log on to POPxo shop and happy shopping.